Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to remove animation from motion clips so you can have more control over the keyframes of your characters. This is what we want to accomplish. As you can see in this animation, I used the motion clips of jogging, of running. He runs, but he runs away with the hands lifted. Okay, now of course you can go frame by frame and select the character, and with the motion key editor put the hands in the correct position every time, but we don't want that. We just want to keep the hands in one position, and I'm gonna show you how to do that really easy. If you want to follow along, you can open the file removing animation from motion clips. Now let me show the timeline. Okay, I select the character. I don't want to be showing the project, and I select motion. Okay, this is what we have. We have this happy character, okay? And what I'm going to use is the action movements of this character running, okay? He is going to start running, and I'm going to use animation, okay? And put it here, clip by clip. Make sure I'm on frame 1. Yes, I'm on frame 1. Then I choose from animation. I go to motion, then elastic focus side, and then move. And then he's going to start running. Frame 1. Okay, yes, frame 1. Start running. And then run one loop, then another loop. No, actually, let me show you a quick trick you can use. We already covered the speed function, right? Now I'm going to use the looping function. With that activated, I just click and drag, and now I have all these looping motion. Look. Okay? So now what I want is, I want both hands like this, up. And then when he starts running, I also want the hands up here, like this. So one quick way to do that is first removing the animation of both arms, okay? There's a very easy and quick way to do this. Let me just select this clip. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to right click. Careful, if I right click here, I'm going to remove the animation and have the arms in this position. And so I want to right click in the first frame of that clip, right here. Right click, and then I'm going to select remove motion. From which arm? I'm going to remove from the left arm, and then right click on the first frame and then remove motion, the right arm. And now check this out. It's having the animation, but both hands are as in the original position, okay? And then he starts running. Okay, now for the running, I'm going to go to the first frame right there, right click, and then remove motion of the left arm, then right click on the first frame from that clip, remove motion, right arm. And now check this out. You see, now I removed the animation from both arms. Very good. Now it's very easy for me because all I have to do is add one single keyframe. Super easy. You already know how to do this, so I'm going to reposition all of this in fast forward, and there. That's one position, and he will have both hands like that, you see? And then when we move on to the next motion clip, the hand drops. So for that, I'm going to fix it here. I select it and I fix that. Okay? Now I want to copy this keyframe. Remember, let me scroll up. I'm going to copy this keyframe and put it here, so I maintain this arm in the correct position. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Whoops, I'm not. I'm not even part of any scene, but it's a good habit to always check that I'm not recording. Okay, now I select transform, then control, click and drag, and there. You see, very, very easy. And now I can make some adjustments to the torso. No, not from that torso, from here. I select the torso and I make some modifications to the body in fast forward. You see, right there. Okay, now let's see it. Very good. Super easy, right? That's it for this lesson. And also that's it for this module. We now learn how to do the first part of character animation, which constitutes the body. And starting from the next lesson, we will start the next module in which we will learn how to do facial animation to express different emotions. Okay, see you in the next lesson.